Welcome to day 4 design challenge. In today's challenge, I'll be showing you how to create this professional church flyer design using just your smartphone. Now, if you have been struggling to design high quality flyers on your phone, this is exactly what you need. I will show you step by step how to achieve this using PixelLab. Without further ado, let's get started. So guys, first thing first, click on this icon at the right top corner of your phone. Go to image size, change it to 1028. Click on your good icon. Beautiful. Now let's import the background of the church flyer design. So guys, this is the background. Click on your good icon. Now stretch it. Make sure it covers your workspace. Yes. This is good. Now go ahead and lock the background to avoid unnecessary movements. So guys, before I proceed any further, I would like to give credit to the creator behind this design. I don't know the creator. Please, if you know the person behind this masterpiece, do well to notify me in the comment section. So let's continue. I'll be importing the text effect Prophetic Sounds. So let me import it right away. So guys, this is the text effect. Click on your good icon, reduce it, and place it here. I would like to say something I consider very important. Please, whenever you are creating a church flyer design, one of the things you need to pay attention to is your background. The choice of background matters whenever it comes to church flyer designs. In case you don't know this, please take note of it. The background you'll be using to create that church flyer design has a big role to play. It is going to affect the outcome of your design. You could see that this particular background is reflecting the theme of the program, which is what? Prophetic sound. You can see someone that is holding a shofar, a priest who is holding a shofar and is blowing the shofar, which signifies what? Prophetic sounds. So please always pay attention to the background of your church flyer design whenever you are creating a church flyer design. Hope you've learned something. Now position it properly. Okay, this is good. That reminds me, if you don't know how to create text effects using your smartphone, check the description of this video. You find a video on text effects. The link to the video is in the description of this particular video, so do well to watch it. Let's continue. Okay, this is okay. Now let's import the images of the ministers one after the other. So guys, this is the first minister. Let's crop this part out. Crop this other part out. Beautiful. And bring it down. Reduce it a little. Reduce it again. Okay. Okay, so place it here. We'll be making use of our grid lines in order for us to maintain precision and accuracy. So click on this icon, click on this, pick it up. Yes. Then go ahead and remove these unnecessary lines. Remove it. Remove this other one. Remove this one. Remove this last one. That's beautiful. Now let's continue. We'll be importing the next minister's picture, which is Apostle F.I. Emmanuel. So guys, this is his picture. Click on your good icon, reduce it, bring it down. Okay. Increase it a little and place it here. And click on this icon. Take it behind the image of the first minister. Okay. This is okay, beautiful. And let's import the picture of the next minister, which is minister. And then so guys, this is our picture. Click on the good icon and reduce it. Reduce the picture again. Increase it a little. Take it up. Click on this icon. Take it behind the pictures of the other ministers. So sorry about that. Click on this icon. Make sure you lock the other pictures. And for this one, move it. Then reduce it a little again. Okay. Let's do a little adjustment. Okay, seems this is okay. Yes, this is okay. Now I'll be importing the next picture, which is Pastor Caleb David. So guys, this is his picture. Click on your good icon and reduce it again. Okay, so place it here and click on this icon. So guys, take his picture behind Minister Nene's picture. Good. Don't forget to lock our picture. Now move it a little. Okay, then bring it down. This is okay. Now let's import the last picture, Apostle Damilara. So guys, this is his picture. Click on your good icon. Beautiful. That reminds me, how has the challenge been so far, guys? How has it been so far? I know that it has been a great experience for some of you, most especially those that don't understand this software. I know you've learned so much about PixelLab. That is the interface of PixelLab, how to navigate the software like a professional. So I really love to hear from you. How has it been for you so far? Let me know in the comment section. Have you been learning? Have you been unlearning? Have you been relearning? I'll be glad to see your comments in the comment section. If you do this, I'll be very happy, super excited if I see your comments. Thank you so much. And let's continue. So position Apostle's picture well. Okay, now take it behind Pastor Caleb picture. Beautiful. Now let's position it well. Okay. I think we'll need to increase this picture a little. Move it to this side. Please, when creating your own, please take your time and create it. It's important you do so. Just take your time and create your design. So guys, the next thing we need to do is for us to cover the sharp edge. This is what I'm talking about. So we can see what I'm talking about. Yes. So how do I achieve that? It's very simple. In case this is your first time of watching my video, click on draw, increase the pen size, increase the smoothness, increase the blur radius, then tap on your screen. Beautiful. Bring it down, then go to color, enable it, click on the plus icon, click on color picker, click on the background, then come and pick a color that will correlate or blend with the background. Beautiful. Click on OK. Now increase it, place it here. You can see what I'm doing. Just let's reduce it a little. Okay, place it here. Now duplicate it again, place it here. We just want to cover the sharp edge, so bring it down and place it here. As you can see, we're already covering the sharp edge. This is the easiest way to do this in PixelLab. Copy it again, bring it down and place it here. Copy it again. Don't tell me that you've not been gaining value from this design challenge. I believe you've gained so much value, and you will still gain more before this challenge ends, because I'm going to be showing you guys a whole lot of things that will blow your mind. So cover this side, cover this other side, and cover this side. Guys, we are done covering the sharp edge. The next thing we need to do is for us to write their names one after the other. Now let's write the name of the first speaker. Click on text, go to edit, Apostle. Beautiful. So bring it down, place it here. And let's write the other name. Copy it, go to edit, Damilara. I think I'm going to pause this video so I can be very fast. I don't want to take much of your time. It's important I do so. So guys, as you can see, I'm done writing their names. The next thing we are going to write is the date of the meeting, the time of the meeting, and also the venue of the meeting. Okay, let's go ahead and write the date of the meeting. So guys, let's use a better font for this write-up. Okay, we'll be using Stretch Pro. The name of this font is Stretch Pro. Please, that's the name. In case I forget to put it in the description of this video, please, the name is Stretch Pro. So reduce it, place it here. Okay. Now click on it, copy it. Please, it's important you like and also comment on every video so that I can take note of your name in the comment section. I believe that you guys have seen the scoreboard for day 2. Yes, like I said previously, this design challenge is a serious challenge, and if you really want to emerge as the winner or one of the winners, it's important you like, you comment, possibly share the video. I would really appreciate if you share the video. Now, if you're having any challenge as touching the password, let me know. You get to make sure you've liked and you've commented on the video before you reach out to me. It's important. Okay, this is okay. Now, click on your center icon. Click on shape. Reduce it this way. That's what I'm doing. Yes, let's reduce it. Okay. Then click on the good icon. So go to position. Let's move it. We'll move it. Then place it here. Reduce it again. Bring it down. Reduce it again. Okay. So we need to reduce it a little. Take it up. Okay. Let's see. Click on this. Let's reduce it again. We are doing this manually. Okay guys, so let me reduce it again. Okay. So bring it down. Bring it down. Okay. So take it up a little, just a little. Good. Now go to relative size. Reduce it from here. Okay. Let's reduce it. Let's see. Click on your good icon. Let's see. Okay, I think we need to reduce it. Let me pause the video. So guys, let's continue. I just remember that I've not edited their pictures, but I'm going to do that very, very fast. Very, very fast. I mean very, very fast. So let's continue with the write-ups and copy it. Go ahead and write 3 p.m. Beautiful. Bring it down. Place it here. We can see. Click it on and click on it. Now copy it, edit it, write prompt. Okay. Okay, then place it here. Move it a little. Okay. Let's see. This is okay. You can take your time and do yours. I'm trying to hurry up. This video is already long. I mean, very long. Okay. Now move this. Bring it down. Position. Let's move it. So place it here. Okay, place it here. Here. This is okay. Let's move it a little. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to do some adjustment, but I want us to finish all the write-ups. So go to color. We want to change the color of that text. So pick the color from the background. Okay, I think this color is okay. Let's see. Oh, it's dark. Let's see. Okay. Let's make it light again. Okay. This is good. You can take your time to do yours. Now for the next write-up, I'm going to pause the video. In fact, I'm going to pause the video so I can finish everything afterwards. We edit the design in PixelLab. Thank you. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with the design. I'm done writing everything I need to write. So it is time for us to take it to PixelLab and do the final editing there. So I'm going to be posting the video. Do well to save it as project and also as image. Very important. So guys, we're already in PixelLab. Click on tools, go to adjust, increase the brightness a little. This is the problem many of you are having. Please, whenever you're editing any design, pay attention to every detail. It's very important. Starting from brightness, contrast, clarity. Each of these features has a role to play, and it's going to affect the outcome of your design. So just go ahead and do the editing. So increase the clarity. Also increase the saturation. So we can see the effects. Very clean. Very clean. Please, when creating yours, take your time and create yours. So I just showed you how you can recreate it in PixelLab. Please, if you want to recreate your design, take your time. Give it nothing but the best. That reminds me, if you are yet to follow me on Facebook, do well to follow me on Facebook and also on Instagram. Give this video a like, drop a comment, turn on the subscribe button, and don't forget to smash the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload any content on my channel. Thank you so much for staying to the end. It is Vixen Tech Global. Do well to watch the video that will appear on your screen right now. Thank you.